Namaste, food enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the heart of Indian cuisine with a dish that's rich, aromatic, and undeniably delicious, Bhuna Mutton. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this spicy and flavorful journey. Before we start conjuring up the magic of Bhuna Mutton, let's gather our aromatic ingredients. To make the Bhuna masala: 3 teaspoons coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 10-15 black peppercorns. Marinate, cook the mutton. 500 gm mutton, curry cut. Half a teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 cup water. For the masala: 3 tablespoons oil. 1 tablespoon ghee. 3 medium onion slices. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 2 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 3 tablespoons whisked dahi, yogurt. 3 slit green chilies. 1 cup water. 2 tablespoons chopped coriander for garnish. To make the Bhuna masala, dry roast the spices in a pan till it starts to smoke. Do this on medium heat for 3-4 minutes and then take it off the heat, then grind this into a powder. Now mix the mutton with the turmeric with the mutton and some salt in a pressure cooker. Add water and pressure cook this for 2 whistles in medium heat. Once you're rising 2 whistles, release the pressure and separate the mutton pieces and the stock and keep aside. Now in a kadai, wok, heat oil and ghee and fry the onions till golden. Then add the mutton along with ginger garlic paste and fry for 2 minutes on medium heat. Next add the Bhuna masala powder and fry on low heat along with a splash of water for 2 minutes so the spice powder can cook. Now add the stock from the mutton, 1 cup of water, the dahi, yogurt, green chilies and let this simmer on medium heat for 15-20 minutes till the water dries and the masala thickens. Adjust the salt levels and fresh coriander, giving our Bhuna mutton its final aromatic flourish. Our Bhuna mutton is now ready to be served. Pair it with naan or steamed rice or roti for a truly satisfying experience. If you're ready to spice up your kitchen with the richness of Indian flavors, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more culinary adventures. Enjoy making and savoring this Bhuna mutton, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!